Did you know that deep within the dense rainforests of Central and West Africa, there's a hidden giant? Meet the African forest elephant, one of the most fascinating yet lesser-known creatures on our planet. Smaller than their savanna cousins, the African forest elephant has straighter tusks and rounder ears, perfectly adapted for navigating the thick jungle. These gentle giants play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystem. How, you ask? Well, they are nature's gardeners. As they munch on fruits and vegetation, they spread seeds across the forest, helping new plants grow and ensuring biodiversity. Without them, the rainforest would struggle to survive. But here's the sad truth: African forest elephants are critically endangered. Habitat loss due to deforestation and illegal poaching for their ivory tusks has pushed them to the brink of extinction. The good news? Conservation efforts are underway to protect these majestic animals. Governments, NGOs, and local communities are working together to combat poaching and preserve their habitats. The African forest elephant is not just a symbol of the rainforest's beauty but also a reminder of our responsibility to protect it. By supporting conservation initiatives and spreading awareness, we can ensure these incredible creatures thrive for generations to come. If you enjoyed learning about the African forest elephant, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about our planet's amazing wildlife. Let's be the voice for those who can't speak for themselves.